Bro, watch this shit, bro.
Why do you look so sad when you're saying it? Up. Fucking. Oh, you couldn't fucking be royal for nothing. You couldn't be royal for nothing. Look at you. This is why I took the worst of you to show you. Look at this nothing. Look at this regular fucking shit I'm dealing with. And I'm still gonna turn them into something royal, motherfucker. Look at these, you fucking lazy, you fuckers. I cannot wait till your downloads get in. Oh, this shit will drive you crazy. I cannot wait till the certain dates. Y'all energy. Ugh. I cannot wait till the LGBTQ community comes in. Because you guys, you will see, they will show you how to treat a God. It is the LGBTQ community that will show you how to worship me. Because you are nothing. Get out of my presence. Move, all of you. Leave me immediately. Make it snappy. You got 3 seconds. Out the room now. Immediately out. 1, 2, 3.
Raw as hell.